In first step, search Grammarly Premium on Google. Then open Grammarly Premium. Now, click on Sign in with Google. You need to log in there to use it by using free or premium account. After login, you need to upload your file by choosing Upload option. By clicking Upload button, dialog box will appear, choose file from its location and select to upload it. New window will appear, where suggestion will be shown to correct grammar mistakes. Grammarly divides suggestions in 4 categories that are correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery. In free account, only correctness suggestions will be shown, and for other suggestions, you will need to log in via Grammarly Premium account. Free account do not allow to check plagiarism. You can scroll the window to check all suggestions. You can correct grammar mistakes by clicking on blue option that shows correct word. You also check overall score from button on top right that Grammarly give on basis of your grammar and spelling mistakes. You can also download report of your overall score. Downloaded report display all the issues in the file. The process of login and uploading file on Grammarly is the same as we see in free account. But there is a huge difference in other options. In premium account, we can check all suggestions including correction, clarity, engagement, delivery. All options that are not available in free account is now open and provide a deep information about errors in file. Now Plagiarism Checker also available that scans multiple websites and compare the content for plagiarism. Overall score report also can be downloaded from premium account.